Today, we're going to make a vase with flowers and leaves. So let's start. So guys, first we'll take this green A4 size sheet. Then we will fold it like this, in half, like this. So then, after that, we would take a pencil and a ruler. Then, the side that's opening, here you have to make a line on that side which is opening. So let's make a line. So you can see I've drawn like this. I've drawn like this on the opening side, you can see. Now, after that, I would cut some stripes. Let me cut and show. Like this. We would cut this kind of things. So, just one thing remember. We will stop cutting at this line. This line we have drawn, it is kind of the finishing of the cutting we did. So, like this will make many stripes, okay? So guys, you can see like this I've done it, like this. I've cut stripes like this. Okay? Now, open it. It would be like this, if you see. So, now what you have to do is, you have to take the glue. You have to put the glue, not exactly here. Here, a bit, down from this, ending, a bit down, okay? So let me put the glue. So guys, you can see I put glue on one side. Now again, we fold it like that, the way we had before. Like this, we fold it, and this is, try to stick it. So now it's like this. Then take a pencil, you just roll it a bit, like one stripe at a time. It would take a bit time, but it would be good if you do it one by one. So like this, you see? Like this, you have to roll it. Then just take it out and do like this. It would be full, rolled like this. So like this, you have to do the rest. So guys, now you can see this is done. It's curled. Right now we have to roll it, but you can see it's curled. So now we would take the glue. We would open its cap. And we need to put the glue on this side where, because this is curled like this, so we'll put the glue here. So I have put the glue, you can see. Then I'll turn it the other side. So we rolled it, like this, kind of, you can see. Then we keep rolling it, and a bit more glue we can put for safety in the middle, like it's rolled. But for safety, so that it doesn't, get apart easily, we should keep putting the glue in the middle a bit and a bit and a bit. So you can see I have made this Now that this is done, I will put it aside. Okay? Take this paper. Okay? Then we'll cut a small square. We'll cut many actually. Just triangles first, like this. How to cut an exact square shape? You have to make a triangle like this. Triangle kind of thing. Just make sure that the triangle is straight and all. Then let's make one more. For now, let's make 4. After that, we'll make more. Or let's make 2. So like this I've made. Now what we would do is we would take the scissors and we would cut these triangles. Like this. We'll not cut only the triangle, we're cutting both. Okay, now it's now it's an exact square shape. Okay, so now we fold it in half. Done. After that, like this only, fold it again. After that, you have to fold it in half. You can see, okay, like this. So now you have to see both the sides. This side has many folds. This side has only 3 folds. So the side that has 3 folds, from that side we would draw here. You can see 3 sides, and now we'll draw here like one petal. That's it. You can see like this. Now we would cut this shape. So you can see like this we made. This is one petal. Now we unfold this now it's done like this. Then you see I have drawn with the pencil here. Okay, this petal. So the petal you have drawn with a pencil on, the pencil mark is visible. On that petal you just cut like this. Okay, you cut it. Then you do like this. You see, it's like this, like a slice of pizza is gone, or so this petal is gone. Now we just do like this so that it becomes 3D, and like this. So we have to put glue here and stick it like this. Right now we have to put, we have this clay, air dry clay. It's, very light. So I'll take a bit of it, really little, a small ball. Then again, you take glue and you put glue in the middle of this flower. Okay? Then take this ball, you put in this like this, and don't only do that, press it. Press it to make it, flat kind of thing after you paste it. So like this we have made, you can see, and it's great, you can see. So we will paste it on the leaves later. So right now we have to make more flowers like that. Guys, I have done my 6 flowers. So 5 of them would be used, on this, 5 or 4, and 2 or 1 or 2 would be used on the vase, which is made of a paper glass. I will decorate it and color it. So you can see these flowers are done. Let's paste it first. We have to color the vase. pink in color. Actually, they're crayons or oil pastels, I don't know. We can use any color. Sketch pens, crayons, oil pastels. I think this is an oil pastel. Guys, you can see it's done. So right now we'll decorate it. Now we would take hearts from this. We'll make hearts, not take hearts. So guys, now you can see this is done on both the sides. And now let's put this in. Ta-da! So this, oh yeah, I forgot one step. Just glue. And so you can see I put glue at the back. So now I'm going to put this inside. Now we just need to put a stone. So guys, I got the stone. You can see this stone I'll use. I just had it. So I will put glue here, okay? Now you can see it's ready. Bye everyone. See you in the next video.